I walked for like, I don't know, 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm real tired though. But it's a nice sunset. You know, eating bananas and watching the sunset, it's kind of therapeutic. How can the earth be flat when, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's no way the earth can be flat where the planes are flying like down, you know? Because they be saying we're flying just in a circle. There's no way it's flat when I see this plane, it's flying down. This plane is probably about to go to like, I don't know, to China, so south of south of the globe for real. Oh, hello? South of the globe. Yes, sir. You'll never truly be happy if you don't express yourself. Our true selves, it has to be expressed in some sort of way. And if you don't ever express your true self, you're gonna feel like you're suffocating. That's part of the reason why some people get depressed. They don't even be themselves, you know? And they wonder why they feel so dead inside. It's because they killed the person that they're supposed to be. It's not a good thing.